Stop managing WordPress manually, let automation handle it. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in today's video I'm going to show you top WordPress automation that will help you in your business growth. So in this video you will see how WordPress can be transformed from a simple website into a fully automated system that handle your content, visibility and online activity for you. So now you will see how businesses use WordPress automation combined with AI to stay consistent, whether it's keeping their website updated, maintaining visibility across platforms, or ensuring their brand stays active even when they are not. And we will walk through practical real-world WordPress automation examples that reduce manual work, eliminate repetition, and help businesses focus on growth instead of daily posting and management. And this is not just about saving time. It's about using WordPress strategically. So your website works in the background as a 24/7 automation engine, supporting your marketing and business goals without constant efforts. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create these 3 amazing automations which will help you to automate your WordPress and grow your business. So the first automation is every WordPress post into social media content instantly, where we are going to add our WordPress post into social media platforms by using an automation. And the second, where we are going to auto generate and publish WordPress posts using AI, so you don't have to do anything manually, even writing the content as well. And at last, I'm going to show you how you can keep your Google business profile active using WordPress automation. So are you ready for building these automation? Then let me take you towards my screen. So right here on my screen, you can see I'm inside Pabbly Connect, where I have built in my first automation where I'm adding my WordPress post into social media content. So here I have built in this automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation tool integrating your applications and reduce your manual workload. And for accessing Pabbly Connect, you have to use its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect. And here I have already opened my workflow page where I have selected my trigger app as WordPress and the action app as Facebook pages, Instagram for business and the Twitter. Now you might be thinking, what is this trigger and action? So trigger is our first application or the application which initiate our workflow. So in this case, I wanted to initiate my workflow as soon as a new post is created over the WordPress. So here I have selected my trigger app as WordPress, and the rest of these are the action steps or the action applications where I want to perform my task. So here on my WordPress, I have selected my app event as new post published, and here we are getting this webhook URL, and here we are getting these steps for pasting this webhook URL in our WordPress for building the connection. And after pasting the webhook URL, we just have to capture the new response. So here I'm going to just click over this recapture webhook response, and afterwards we have to make a new post over our WordPress. So now let's make a new post and check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching the data or not. So here I'm landed to my WordPress account where I'm going to add a new post. So here I have provided my title as from manual work to smart automation. Now let's enter the description. So here I have added the description as well. Now I'm going to insert an image. So for that we just have to click over this set featured image. Now let's say I'm going to use this image. So here I'm going to just select it, and here you can see my image has been successfully inserted. Now let's publish this post. And here you can see my post has been published, which you can see through this hyperlink. And here you can see this is the post which I have recently created. And on my Pabbly Connect, 10 seconds ago, we have captured this response that is response D. And here you can see the image URL and the URL of the WordPress post which we have recently created. And now I'm going to use these URLs for posting my WordPress content on my other social media sites. And here you can even see the title of the WordPress post which I have recently created. So here we have captured the response, and here I am going to use this response in my action apps. So here I have selected my action app as Facebook pages, where I have selected my app event as create page photo post, and here it is asking me to select the page. So on my Facebook account, I have already created this page, that is digital dynamics, which I have selected, and afterwards it is asking me to enter the photo URL. So here I have not manually entered my photo URL as I have performed mapping, which is the real magic of Pabbly Connect. So mapping mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and you will be getting all your previous application. So from the response of WordPress, I have mapped the photo URL. So here I'm going to map it, and here I have added the description of the post which I'm going to add in my Facebook account. And now let's click over the save and send test request and check whether a new post is created over our Facebook account or not. So here I'm landed to my Facebook account where I'm on this page, that is Digital Dynamics. Now let's refresh this page, and here you can see I'm successfully receiving the same image or the same post which I have recently created through my WordPress account. And here you can see the title of the post which I have recently created, that is from manual work to smart automation. And here you can even see the URL of the WordPress post which we have recently created. So now you have seen that within few seconds my WordPress post is automatically added to my Facebook account. And same for other action app, that is Instagram for Business, where I have selected my Instagram account, and here I have mapped the photo URL, and here on the caption I have provided the title of my post. Now let's click over the save and send test request. And here you can see we are receiving a positive response. So now let's move on towards my Instagram account, and here you can see I'm landed to my Instagram account where I'm successfully receiving the same image which I have recently added in my WordPress, and the same title of the post which I have added in my WordPress account. So this shows that my WordPress post is automatically added in my Instagram as well. And now let's move on towards our last action app, that is X, formerly Twitter, where I have selected my app event as create tweet, and here I have entered the message which I want to add in my Twitter account. And here I have mapped the title and the link of the WordPress post. Now let's click over the save and send test request. And as I have clicked over the save and send test request button, I'm receiving a positive response. This shows that our post might be added to our Twitter account as well. So here I'm landed to my Twitter account where you can see I'm successfully receiving this post which I have recently added, having the title from manual work to smart automation, and here we are getting the hyperlink of the WordPress post. So now you have seen that by using this automation, my WordPress post is getting automatically added to my social media sites such as Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. So now you can also create this amazing automation by using Pabbly Connect. And if you want detailed video of this automation, then go and check the video given on the description. And now let's move on towards our second automation. But before that, I'm going to show you the surprise which I have bought for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, by using which you can get exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and take your business to the next level with the help of automation. And this coupon code is valid in yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it. And now let's move on towards our second automation. So this is the second automation where we are going to auto create and auto publish our WordPress post. Now you might be thinking how this is possible to auto create our post. And this is possible by using Gemini. And here you can see I have already built in this automation where I have selected my trigger app as Google Sheet. So here you can see this is the Google Sheet by using which I am going to get the content theme and the description of my WordPress post. And afterwards an automated content will be generated by using Gemini, and that content and the title will be automatically created as a post in our WordPress account. So now let me show you how to do it. So here I have selected my trigger app as Google Sheet, where I have selected my app event as new or updated spreadsheet row, and here we are getting this webhook URL. So I have pasted this webhook URL in Google Sheet for building the connection. And now let's capture the response. So for that I'm going to just click over this recapture webhook response. Now let's make a new entry over our Google Sheet and check whether my Pabbly Connect fetched this data or not. So here I have provided my content theme as content creation tips. Now let me add the description. So here I have added the description as well. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching this data or not. So here in my Pabbly Connect you can see 18 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response C, and here you can see both these fields, that is content theme and description. Now I am going to use this content theme and description for generating the content of my WordPress post. So here I have selected my first action app, that is Google Gemini, by using which I am going to generate the content of my WordPress post. So here I have provided my prompt consisting the instructions by using which my Gemini is going to generate the content of my WordPress post. And here we just have to click over the save and send test request. And here you can see I'm successfully receiving the response, and here you can even see the content generated by my Gemini. So you can use this automated generated content for your WordPress post. So here at last I have added my action app, that is WordPress, where I have selected my app event as create a post, and here I have selected my post type as post, and here I have mapped the post title and the post content which I have recently received by using Google Gemini. And now I am going to just click over the save and send test request. So here I have clicked over the save and send test request button, and here we are receiving a positive response which demonstrates that a post might be created in our WordPress account. So now let's move on towards my WordPress account and check it. So here I'm landed to my WordPress account, where I'm going to just move over this post page, and here we are landed to this all post page, where we are going to see the automated generated post, and here I'm going to just view this post. And here you can see this is the automated generated post by my Google Gemini. So now you can also automate this process of creating and publishing your WordPress post by using Pabbly Connect. So with this, we are done with our second automation as well. And if you want a detailed video of this automation, then go and check the video given on the description. Now let's move on towards our third automation. So here I'm landed to my third automation, where I'm going to add my WordPress post over Google Business Profile for keeping it updated. So here I have selected my trigger app as WordPress, where I have selected my app event as new post published, and I have added this webhook URL to my WordPress account for building the connection. Now let's capture the webhook response. So for that, let's click over this recapture webhook response button, and now let's move on towards my WordPress account to create a new post. So here I'm going to just click over this add post, and now let's provide the post title as your website should work harder than you do. Now let's add the description. So here I have added the description as well. Now let's add a media. So now let's say I'm going to add this media to my post. So here I have added this media. Now let's publish this post. And here my post has been published. So now let's click over this hyperlink and view the post which we have recently created. So this is the post which I have recently created, and here in my Pabbly Connect you can 6 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response B, and here you can see the hyperlink of the post which I have recently created, and here you can even see the title of the post which I have recently created. So now I am going to use these details to keep my Google Business Profile updated. So here I have selected my action app as Google Business Profile, where I have selected my app event as create call to action post, and here I have selected my account name and the location name as well, and here on the summary I have added the title of my WordPress post, and here I have provided the URL of my WordPress post. And now let's click over the save and send test request button for sending this test data to the Google Business Profile. And here we are receiving a positive response which demonstrates that our WordPress post might be added to our Google Business Profile. So now let's move on towards my Google Business Profile and check it. So here I'm landed to my Google Business Profile, where you can see I'm successfully receiving the same title of the post which I have recently added in my WordPress account, and here you can even see the hyperlink of the post which I have created in my WordPress account. So now you have seen that my WordPress post is automatically added to my Google Business Profile to keep it updated. So now you can also create this automation for your own business too, and if you want detailed steps for creating this automation, then go and check the video given on the description below. So now in this video you have seen top WordPress automations by using which you can grow your business. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided all the links of the workflows which I have created in my Pabbly Connect, so you can check them for reference, and I have provided the video link of all these automations, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.